Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about a portable conductivity meter, and we all know what is conductivity and what is a conductivity meter. So this is from the brand Darmstadt, okay, and this is a handy, or you can say a portable conductivity meter which you can take it to the field, and this has a special kind of a battery. Okay, this is extra heavy duty green cell, and these are the specification here, and which is also put here from the back. You just have to open, and you can see here the same battery. And also, before operating, you have to first switch it on. So from here you will switch on, and then simultaneously, okay, I can show it to you here. So this is on, and now if you're trying to press any button, it doesn't work. So again switch off, and then this is the button 1, 2, 3. So this is for range, this is for set. For example, I want to set, so I click here, then this shows the cell constant cell, okay, then unit, then off, and then this is the temperature. Okay, these are other settings. Okay, okay, and then after storing or doing the setting also, we will first of all store all the informations. Now if you see here, this is my salt here. Okay, now I'm trying to add a pinch of more. So this is my salty water, and this is my normal tap water. So you can see here significant drop. So this conductivity is 418 at 69 degrees Fahrenheit microsiemens. Okay, now let me add here some more pinches of salt, okay, which will make the water more conducting. Okay, and this is my electrolyte salt. Okay, I will shake this a little bit. Now I will add this probe. So now you can see here the maximum value. So it was earlier, it was in microsiemens, which was a, you can say, a lesser unit. Now the conductivity jumped to 35.9 millisiemens. So there are other units also. You can measure the salinity or conductivity in milligrams per liter, k ohms, millisiemens, and microsiemens. So this is the way how the portable conductivity meter works. You can even calibrate this using a standard solutions, okay, that is provided by the manufacturer, or even you can prepare the conductivity solutions using the different molars or different dosage, or you can say different ways to prepare the standard using the KACL or NaCl salts, which are conducting in nature. Okay, this is all about how we use a portable conductivity meter.